Guys, it's September 4 or September 3, 2021, and I'm hearing what sounds like the air show, but I don't see any airplanes, and there aren't any clouds really. There are, but not enough to cover up any planes. And it is around this time when the air show starts, September. I think it's September the 3, guys, 2021, and around quarter to 1 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's very beautiful outside. It is plus 20. That should be around 68 degrees in the U.S. And it's very cool, nice cool wind. I don't see anything. Maybe they're just too far away, I don't know. Because normally you could see the planes. Look how pretty the city looks, guys. So nice. Hey guys, do you see that building over there? This one, right? At nighttime, I will look through my window, my bedroom window, and sometimes I will see that only one light in the entire building is on, and it will be on the far left right hand side in the middle, on the farthest right hand side of the middle of the building. It's so funny because sometimes, like earlier, like for example at around, around 9:30, 10 o'clock, all the lights will be on, but then 2, 3 in the morning, all the lights will be off except for that one. That's so funny. So that means that everybody in the building is asleep except for that person. That's a hospital, guys. This is a hospital. This is the hospital where I was filming the video where I was talking about allowing the Holy Spirit to lead you, don't say anything that He doesn't tell you to say. I was on this side over here. So there are two buildings here. This building here, it's part of the hospital, and this one here. And there's a terrace. You see? It's there's a oh shoot, oh guys, sorry, there's a huge bee. Oh mommy, where'd it go? Sorry guys. Yeah, it was just coming near me. Yes, there's a huge, a beautiful garden up there. It's really, really huge. The hospital is fairly new. It's around maybe 5 or 6 years old. But anyway, guys, I don't know what that noise is. Whoa, there's another bee! Go away, bee. Yeah, it's the air show, but I don't see any planes. Okay, see guys over there, right? There are clouds over here. But these clouds are not even enough to cover up a plane. So do you see this, the blue sky? Right? So it's pretty clear. And it's pretty clear on the other side over here too. So I don't understand why I don't see them. Oh, there's another bee! Go away, bee! Go away, bee! Ooh. Okay, go away, bee. They went away. Oh, I wish I could see them. I wanted to film them. That's the tower that you guys see sometimes at nighttime when I film here. It's 1,800 and something feet tall. And there's an elevator that goes all the way up. There are stairs too. And the elevator's outside, guys. So when you're going all the way up, you can see outside. Yeah! Very nice. Okay, guys, I'm going to go inside now because I have to go and eat. Oh, by the way, around 3 days ago, I saw a gigantic buzzard, a turkey buzzard. I will have the video for you that I filmed of a turkey buzzard when I was over in the other place back in 2017. Oh, mommy, a bee. I saw 2 of them. And they're so fascinating. They're so huge, guys. When they soar and they flap their wings. And I love giant birds. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Thanks for coming. Bye.